right, scholars, let's take a look at the Think About It. An artist working on a large mural used the rectangle below to show the portion of the mural he had completed by Monday. Write the amount shown as a fraction and a decimal fraction. Then explain your strategy for writing the fraction as a decimal fraction. Okay, so we have a whole right here that is divided into 10 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we could put that 10 in the denominator because this represents the total number of parts. Now, the number of parts being described or represented, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this number is going to go into our numerator. And we want to write this fraction as a decimal fraction. Before we do that, let's make sure we understand what these numbers mean. So the 10 is the denominator, but it also, so I'll just type that up. It represents the denominator or the place value. Okay, so this helps us determine where we need to place the 6 when we're writing it as a decimal. So going over to the 6, this represents the unit or the size of the unit. So the 10 tells us where the place is, and then the 6 means that this is 6/10. Okay, and then this also means the number of parts that are being described here. Okay, so when we're looking at this whole right here, there are 10 parts, but 6 of them are being described. Six of the parts are shaded in. All right, so now we're ready to go ahead and turn this into a decimal that is going to be equivalent. So starting to write this decimal, and if you need to use the place value chart, you could go back to the AIM and use the place value chart there. So I'm gonna put the 6 here because this is the 10th place, and there we go. So the answer for our Think About It is 6/10. And the reason that we're able to write it as 6/10 because this 10 tells us where to put the 6 at. And we do put a 6 there because this represents the number of parts that are being described.